Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing something called what am I playing? What am I playing? Oh wait, let me do that. Yep. I'm playing Subway Surfers, but I'm gonna something 12:56. Alright. Holy shoot. Let me go shop. I need to buy a lot of Alright. If you're wondering why I bought a lot of stuff, it's because of one simple. If you don't know what Subway Surfers is, you're looking at it now. Subway Surfers used to be my favorite game. Oh shoot! Never mind. Let's do that again. That was an accident. I'm a pro at Subway Surfers, so shut up. Did you know? Oh wait, I'm not gonna tell you that. Get that 2-time star. Go there, jump again, then jump again, then jump again. It's basically you collecting money, and yeah, that's what the whole. That's running to the train thing. Wait. What? I'm so confused. Whoa! Wait, that thing was invisible for some reason? What? What is invisible? I don't get it. Let's go for the jumping one. Oh.